Come color with me. Hummingbirds are some of the tiniest birds in the world, known for their ability to flap their wings thousands of times per minute. Listen to the sound they make. This rapid movement allows them to hover in place, which is essential for feeding on nectar from flowers. Due to their fast metabolism, they need to eat constantly, visiting hundreds of flowers each day. I enjoy attracting hummingbirds to my garden by putting out a hummingbird feeder filled with a sugar water solution. Did you know hummingbirds can travel thousands of miles during migration, crossing the Gulf of Mexico in a single day?